The 2024 Renault Rafale marks a significant entry into the D segment, presenting itself as a thrilling coupe SUV addition to Renault's lineup. Drawing inspiration from luxury body styles and reminiscent of a 1934 racing plane, the Rafale serves as a flagship for Renault's new design language. The exterior is striking with a fresh front grille, new matrix LED light signature, and a sleek profile featuring a sloping roofline. The Rafale is exclusively a 5-seater, measuring 4.71 meters in length and 1.86 meters in width, and boasts a panoramic glass roof that offers various transparency settings. Under the hood, the Rafale is powered by a hybrid system consisting of a turbocharged 1.2-liter 3-cylinder gasoline engine and 2 electric motors, delivering a total of 200 horsepower. The gasoline engine alone generates 130 horsepower and 205 newton-meters of torque, while the primary electric motor adds 70 horsepower and 205 newton-meters. The secondary electric motor serves as a starter generator, contributing an additional 34 horsepower and 50 newton-meters. Renault has plans to introduce a more powerful plug-in hybrid variant of the Rafale, which will boast 300 horsepower and feature an all-wheel drive system through an electric motor at the rear. This upcoming variant will also incorporate the advanced rear-wheel steering and will have model-specific chassis tuning, promising enhanced performance and driving experience. The vehicle stands out with its imposing stance, wider axles, robust 245mm tires, and an evolution in Renault's rear-wheel steering designed to enhance grip and cornering speed. It is available in exclusive satin pearl white and alpine blue paint colors, adding to its aesthetic appeal. Inside, the Rafale showcases a contemporary cabin equipped with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 12-inch touchscreen, and an Android Automotive 12 infotainment system supporting wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. A 9.3-inch head-up display projects information onto the windshield for added driver convenience. The Rafale Esprit Alpine trim brings an upscale touch to the model, offering additional features and refinements that elevate the vehicle's overall appeal. The generous cargo capacity of 530 liters with the rear seats in place is noteworthy, ensuring that the vehicle is as practical as it is stylish. The combination of innovative design, advanced technology, and hybrid powertrain positions the Rafale as a compelling option in the automotive market. The 2024 Renault Rafale Esprit Alpine is a testament to Renault's innovation and design prowess. It combines a striking appearance with advanced features and a hybrid powertrain, offering a balanced blend of style, performance, and practicality. The introduction of a more powerful plug-in hybrid variant in the future further adds to the anticipation surrounding this model, making it a noteworthy addition to Renault's lineup. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.